Forgot password Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can reset if you've happened to forget your password for Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you happen to forget your password for the Telegram app, all you have to do is open the Telegram application and then enter your phone number. Now generally Telegram is not going to require you to go ahead and then basically enter your password, because most of the times you might not have set up a password. But if you have set up a password within the account sometimes and now you don't remember it, you can say it's asking me for a password even if I entered my phone number. What I can do is I can just go ahead and then tap this forgot password link that you can find over here. When I do that, it's going to send a recovery code, as you would be able to find it, to this email, which they are not going to show. So you need to have access to this email. So tap the continue option. It's going to send a verification code to your email, so you simply need to wait until you receive the verification code. And once you receive the verification code, you should be able to enter the code here and then go to the new page where you can enter a new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can go ahead and then basically reset the forgotten password on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.